everyone, my name is Batey, and I'm a registered dietitian with the Food as Health Alliance at the University of Kentucky. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make some simple, no-bake energy bites. These little balls of nutrition are full of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This makes them a perfect snack for anyone with a decreased appetite or anybody just looking for a nutritious snack to get them through the day. They'll come together in a flash, so let's get started. So to make these energy bites, all you have to do is mix together a few simple ingredients. I'm going to start with some old-fashioned oats. Oats are a great source of whole grain, which makes them healthy for your heart. Then I add some peanut butter for some healthy fats and some good protein. Nuts are a great source of protein. I'm going to mix in some dark chocolate chips because they're delicious. A tablespoon of chia seeds. Now, chia seeds are an interesting ingredient because they're actually full of healthy fats and protein. I'm gonna add some dried cherries and a tablespoon of honey just for a little bit of sweetness. Now, the awesome thing about these energy bites is that they're so customizable. You could use any dried fruit you want. You could use any type of nut butter like sunflower butter or almond butter. You could skip the chocolate chips and put a different kind of candy in there, really whatever you like. Honestly, the only challenging thing about these energy bites is getting them mixed. You know what? I'm gonna use my hands because I'm gonna need to use my hands in a minute anyway to roll these into little balls. So you're gonna wanna take about a tablespoon, doesn't have to be perfect, and roll these up into little balls. Then I'm gonna place them on my baking sheet and we're gonna roll all of these out and put them in the freezer for an hour. After they've frozen and they've all come together well, then you can stick them in the fridge and they're good for 3 or 4 days. They would be good in the freezer for about 6 months if you wanted to hang on to them and just pop one out, let it defrost anytime you want an easy snack. All right, so here you have it. This batch I made 10, but it really depends on the size you want to make them. So you can make them whatever size you want, and it doesn't have to be perfect. These little bites can be whatever you want them to be. So now I'm going to stick them in the freezer for an hour, and then they're ready to go. So after an hour in the freezer, your energy bites are ready to go. You can put them in the fridge, or like I said earlier, you can leave them in the freezer. These delicious energy bites are full of protein and fiber, but they're also super versatile. You can change them up with whatever mix-ins you want. I hope you'll give them a try.